everyone, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. As always, I am your host, Jason. Today we're going to make a drink that I hate. That's a weird topic for a drink, weird way to start, but it's true. You might be able to tell already from the ingredients, we're going to make the Negroni. I realize to some of you cocktail snobs, that is blasphemy. The Negroni is one of the most popular cocktails in the world. I love gin. I love Sweet Vermouth, especially in Manhattans. I don't like Campari. They say the first bottle of Campari you buy takes you a year to drink. The second bottle takes you a week because it's an acquired taste. This is my first bottle and I'm still only a little bit into it. So maybe that's true, we'll see. I'm gonna try to adjust the ratio a little bit and make this a cocktail more that I like. So your typical Negroni is gonna be even parts. Gin, Sweet Vermouth, and Campari. 1:1:1 ratio. I'm gonna try for this video to do 1.5 ounces of gin, 0.75 ounces of Campari, and 0.75 ounces of Sweet Vermouth. And we'll see how it does. That's a 2:1:1 ratio. Let's give it a shot. So we start off, we have some ice here. We pour some in our glass that we're gonna use in a minute. Set that aside for now. And then we are going to do 0.75 ounces of our bitter Campari. Here's a pretty color though. We're gonna do 0.75 ounces of our red Sweet Vermouth. In this case, I'm using Cinzano. I've tried a few different kinds over the years. This is one of my favorites. It's also very affordable, which is nice. Way better for you at-home people than Martini and Rossi. Also, quick note, refrigerate your vermouth. Once you open it, vermouth is the same as wine. It will oxidize, it will go bad, it will turn into vinegar. Refrigerate your sweet vermouth. Any vermouth, refrigerate your vermouth. And then 1.5 ounces of our gin. I know dry gin is what this drink calls for. I don't keep dry gin in my house. I'm going to use Bombay Sapphire. It's one of my favorite gins. I think it goes well in pretty much every gin required cocktail. So again, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of that. All right, and we will stir. Once we chill that, dilute the ice a little bit, add just a little bit of water. We will strain that into our rocks glass, which we've already filled with ice. It does have a nice color to it. And for our garnish, we will first express an orange peel. When we express an orange peel, we squeeze the oils. If I had a close-up on this, you could actually really see the oils popping out. I can feel them right now. That's the flavor right there. And then for the garnish, we'll just kind of leave that in there as well. Let's go ahead and give us a chance, see if I've saved the Negroni. Oh, that is a much better cocktail. The Sweet Vermouth helps quite a bit. The Campari's still there, it's still bitter. I still don't love it. It's a much better cocktail for me. So if you're like me, you don't love the bitterness of the Campari, maybe try these ratios. Again, it was a 2:1:1 ratio, more gin forward. That's a much better cocktail. So thank you once again for joining. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you again in the future. Thanks.